In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace when it isn't working. 5 minutes. If Marketplace isn't loading, your listings have disappeared, or you keep seeing an error, the quickest way to get it addressed is to report the issue directly within Facebook. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to say so your report is clear and actionable. First, open Facebook and go to Marketplace. On desktop, look for the little storefront icon on the left sidebar or along the top. On mobile, you'll usually find Marketplace in the menu. Make sure you're signed into the account that's having the problem so the report attaches to the right profile. Next, click your profile. This opens your account menu and lets you access the tools we need. From there, select Help and Support. This section is where Facebook gathers all the self-help resources and, more importantly, the form to report problems. Choose Report a Problem. If you see an option like Something Went Wrong, pick that. This tells Facebook you're dealing with a technical issue rather than feedback or a general question. When the prompt appears asking whether to include logs and diagnostics, click Don't Include. This keeps your report limited to what you write and any screenshots you add. It's totally fine to exclude diagnostics. Your description will still help the team pinpoint what's going on, and you always have the option to include more detail later if they request it. You may also see a quick permission pop up, such as a request to allow screenshots or additional data. Choose Allow or Cancel based on your comfort level. Allowing can sometimes help reproduce visual glitches, but it's optional and won't block you from submitting the report. Now enter the details. Be specific and concise. Describe what you were trying to do in Marketplace, what you expected to see and what actually happened. Include the device you're using, your browser or app version if you know it, and the approximate time the issue started. If you can, attach a screenshot of the error message or the blank page. Clarity here greatly improves the chances of a fast fix. Finally, click Submit Report. Your report goes to Facebook's support systems, and they'll review it for known issues, account flags, or regional feature outages. Keep an eye on your support notifications for updates. That's it. By reporting the problem from within Facebook, you give the team the exact context they need to investigate Marketplace issues and help get things working again.